पहले बाद में बात कर लेना कोई काम है
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वकफा वस्सलामुन अला इबादिही अल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद क़ाल अल्लाहु तबारक व तआला फिल क़ुरआनिल करीम अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम लक़द काना लकुम फ़ी रसूलिल्लाहि उस्वतुन हसनह सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। All praise and thanks to Allah alone, the Creator and Sustainer of the worlds. May peace and blessings be upon the last and final Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his family and his companions, prestigious guests, respected teachers, and all audience. At first, I greet you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be on all of you. Dear audience, in today's program, I will deliver a speech on the topic of Sirat. Listen carefully. A pilot who doesn't follow the orders received from the control tower ends up in great trouble. People who don't